So tell us one major component that we've helped you sort of realize and implement that's moved you forward a step or two.
Well, there's a couple, but I think I've listened to Bruce's podcast, probably like everyone, for 4 years. And prior to signing up, we're on a trajectory to build modular homes one day, and we're very glad we went down the joinery route. The manufacturing's been almost like an unhealthy obsession for us. So I took a lot from some of Nigel's podcasts very early on, and sessions with Nigel about smaller batch sizes, breaking your jobs down, but that's been the biggest change for us by a long way. Our lead times have gone from 2 months to 4 days. Our lead times have gone from 2 months to 4 days. So it's been big changes. The batch sizing being the structure of it all, by far the biggest gain we've had.
Do you have anything to add to that, Ryan?
It's funny, we did a whole factory reset only in April. So we shut down for 2 weeks, completely gutted that factory, moved everything around, painted the floors. The speed at which we're going now is just, you don't even think about it, do you? Yeah. So yeah, the batch sizing's been good. Time blocking, just doing one thing per week has been good. My ideal work week when I started was I fill every day with something, and that wasn't the point of the exercise. I later found out it was just get one thing on there for the week and just do that each week. So that was quite good.